Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray. Under the hood is a inline 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got 17-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Panorama roof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. A set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. Opening up the door, we've got a black ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A review backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys, cup holders, our buttons for our command center. This vehicle has 21,840 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.